How to explain machine learning to your grandparents. Machine learning is a technology that allows computers to learn and improve on their own without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions based on data. Imagine you have a big basket of fruits, and you want to sort them by type. At first, you might have trouble telling the difference between an apple and a pear, but as you keep sorting, you start to notice patterns that make it easier to tell them apart. Machine learning works the same way. A computer is given a set of data, and it uses algorithms to find patterns and make predictions based on that data. For example, it can learn to recognize whether an email is spam or not, or it can predict whether a stock will go up or down. The more data the computer has to work with, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. It's like having more fruit to sort through. The more you have, the better you become at identifying them. So, in short, machine learning is a way for computers to learn from data and make predictions based on what they've learned. It's a powerful tool that can help us solve complex problems and make our lives easier.